I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this uniform bag as well as a mini haul of what was... Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this bag, a uniform bag, as well as a mini a freebie haul of what I collected on my first shift. So a lot of people got delivered the box, but my box never arrived, so I had to go to the uniform centre, and this is my uniform. So I managed to try it on the day, and it's quite big on me. This is quite big on me. They've tried to get the smaller size for the t-shirts and whatnot. So this is the long sleeve, the jacket. This is what it looks like. Yep. And next is the bag. The belt. Oh. This is the little jacket thing. Oh. This is the padded jacket. Vest thing. Two trousers. Oh, so this is what the trousers look like, and the logo on that bit, and then two t-shirts. So I think this is one of the t-shirts. The other t-shirt is in my drawer somewhere, so this is what it looks like, the t-shirt. Also a hat.
I don't really use it as much.
Hello fellas, here's the unboxing of this hygiene kit. Some hand sanitizer. Some surface wipes. I don't think this is for the face. So for the first mystery item was this water bottle. It was in tissue paper. Oh. So this is this water bottle looks like for the first mystery item. Very useful for the first day. So 7 Trent, and it's got the Birmingham 2020 logo, official nature and carbon neutral supporter. So for the second item, the mystery item, so it was in this little pouch. I just opened it already. This is what it looks like. It's a pin with the logo, and then this is what the bag looks like. Pretty nifty.
And there's I know there's hockey on this morning.
So I don't know if you can see from the lighting. I've just put my flash on so you can see the little engravings on the little so I don't know if you can see from the lighting, but I just turned the flash on so you can see the engravings on the nifty coasters. So one burgundy colour and then one orange. You can see we bit in different lightings angles, so you can see that. And this is what the sleeve looks like. Last mystery item was this, which is pretty cool. So this is what the cardboard looks like. It says making history together, Birmingham 2022, 28th July to August 8th, which is the last day of the games. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like a baton with a design, a bluish design. So it says Commonwealth Sports, Commonwealth, Birmingham. It's a pretty nice material, thick material. I think it's metal. or possibly acrylic, I don't know. Doesn't matter. And then there's a little scroll inside, which says, oh, so the essence of a baton is a connection of a team. As a valued member of the Birmingham 2022 team, we hope this baton reminds you that we came together to unite the nation, and inspire a new generation. For all this and much more, thank you for being part of Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. So I realised the 4 mystery items symbolise the 4 relay. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below if you watched the Commonwealth Games and what was your favourite moment or sport. Thank you for watching. In the end screen I've added a mini vlog of the Commonwealth Games. Oh, going a bit backwards. So this is the second mystery item. So this was in this little envelope. This is what it looks like. The little badge. It's on the logo. I've took the pins out. It's somewhere.